Hey Bill, okay, you're going to go to compumatter.com/mailadmin. Okay, that's the address of the post office. Hit enter, and that will take you. At that point, you need to log in with your credentials, which I have set up as you see here. Your email address that you've been using and the same password that you use on the website. So let's go ahead and type that in. There's your email address, and there is your password. We'll log in. Alright, and you're going to see this information here. Now, you notice create new email account is one of them. So let's go ahead and click on that. Whatever email we want. Let's say I wanted to create one for you. I would just call it bill@miramarmachine.com. Put in whatever password you want here. Put it in again. Make sure that password is at least 8 characters. It has a capital in it and a special character. And do the same thing for the second one is just basically going to confirm that. And then the full name of the person, so in this case that would just be your full name. And we don't need to send them a welcome email. They are active by default, and we'll add that mailbox. And it says down here, the mailbox has been added to the mailbox table, bill@miramarmachine.com. So now if I go to the email address list, we see Bill is one of them. We've already set up a password for you, so you're done. At this point, another website where you can check that email, if we go to readourmail.com, it'll bring this up. And at that point, we can enter in your new email address, which is bill at, there it is right there, miramarmachine.com, and whatever the password is you've given, and we'll hit login. And you'll see there's the welcome email inbox. If I double click on that, it'll open that email. And so this is a website that allows you to check your email online. And that's it. I'm here to help if you need help adding whatever you want to do with respect to email accounts. And there will be some support charge if as part of that process. That's just, I can give you the tools to do whatever you need, but aside from giving you a tutorial like this to set it up, email can easily take a half hour per person to work with, so it just depends on what it is. I'll do as much as I can for free, but do understand that some of this stuff can be time consuming. So I hope this helps you. I'll send you that email right now so that you can do this on your own. And this one, I'm going to delete the one that I just set up called Bill. You can add Bill again if you want. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.